Okay, engineers, now we're going to mount my crossing light signal to the crossing gate. Now, this crossing gate here is a Pola number 940 crossing gate. Comes in with two of them. But I get these off of eBay, and sometimes you might get one that don't work, and I got one that didn't work. I've sent it off to get fixed, but the guy says he can't get parts for it. And a new one is $320, and I got these for about $150 at the most. I got this will be the fourth one here. And I'm just going to wait and see if one will come up on eBay. I'm going to mount a crossing light on it, which I get from a Raleigh Railroad Miniatures at gmail.com, or actually is eBay store. I'll leave it in the description where you get these. Now, he's got an assortment of different ones. This one here has just got it on one side. Well, he's got one that's got the signs on both sides and lights on both sides. And he's even got one that's got a bell on the top of it there, which I just put the bell on it that I get from the crossing gates. But the first thing you gotta do, you gotta trace it out where you're gonna put it, because on this particular crossing gate, the platform's at an angle, and you kind of want this to be standing straight up. So I got my base in line with the gate there. I'll hold it straight. I made me a little base trace out there, and then I take my little sander here. I'm gonna level this out here a little bit. Now, this is pretty thick right here, so I ain't got to worry about going through, but I just don't want to go too deep. Plastic gets pretty warm. to go down into. Let's see here. It's looking pretty straight. Now, get that done. And level it out there and line it up. And we need to go a little bit more. No super glue on it. All right. Now you got to get in here and do your wiring. So I'll run it up through the same hole that the wire comes through. Go over here and put my positive lead on the white lead because it's the positive. But what you got to do is you got to know which lead has got power to it when the gate is down. Okay. So the lights will be on when the gate is down and they'll cut off when the gate goes up. So I've done that. On this one. Try to be careful not let that fall off. Put this over here for right now. I've got this one mounted and glued. Shrink wrap out of here first. I got the wire run through here and tied in. I hope I got it tied in the right one, because this one actually has a different type of motor on it than the other ones I've got too. So let's put our piece of shrink wrap on that first. Get her ends ready. Get her shrink wrap ready. Let's see. I got to have one more piece. I got one more. No. Nope. I'm gonna tie red to red. Let's see. Not gonna need that after all. Let me see here. I need that in this end. I'll do my black lead. I'm just going to put me a couple pieces of tape here to secure the wire. First turn the power on here, you'll notice I don't have a gate here because these gates that come with this one's kind of in rough shape. So they got glue all over it where they've glued stuff back together. And so I'm waiting on my other gate to get back that was going to get repaired because it's in real good shape. And put the gate actually on it. Now this should be in the down position here. So all we really got to do, make sure they ain't touch nothing. Now, that should be in the down position right there. And you can barely see the light in there. And then it's going to go, make sure I watch that rod. And that's in the up position. Okay, there we go. I'm out.